SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to restart an iPhone 11. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you need to restart your iPhone 11, then there's a couple of different options available to you. The option that you're going to want to use if your iPhone is working properly and you just simply need to restart it is to press and hold the volume up button and the side button at the same time. It looks like this. That's going to bring up this screen, and then you can just drag this slider to the right, which is going to turn off the phone. It's going to take a few seconds for the phone to shut down completely, but then once the phone has finished turning off completely, then you can just press and hold the side button until you see a white Apple logo, which is going to take another couple of seconds. Then you can release the side button and then just wait for the phone to finish booting up. This boot up process can take a few seconds depending on how long it's been since your phone was shut down and how much stuff you have on your phone. So you're just going to need to wait until it gets to the lock screen, at which point you're going to be able to enter your passcode, and then you'll be able to continue using your phone, and hopefully the restart fixed whatever issue you were having. The second option for restarting your phone is called a force restart. This is what you're going to want to do if your phone isn't working properly or if it's unresponsive and you aren't able to use that first restart option. To do a force restart, you're going to press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. It looks like this. Now this is going to bring up the slide to power off button on my phone because it's working properly. But if your phone was stuck or unresponsive, then you're just going to keep holding this side button. The phone's going to turn off, and then once again you're going to see the white Apple logo appear after a couple of seconds, and then you can release the side button, and then the phone is just going to continue booting up.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.